vitamins and your minerals. Minerals include your iron, copper, zinc, selenium, so on and so forth. And vitamins are broadly then classified into your fat soluble vitamin and your water soluble vitamins. All right. So water soluble vitamins include your vitamin B complex and vitamin C, while fat soluble vitamins include your vitamin A, D, E, and K. So in this particular video, I'm going to be discussing about water soluble vitamins, that is vitamin B complex and vitamin C. While as far as the fat soluble vitamins are concerned, that is A, D, E, and K, I'll be discussing them in a separate video. All right. Now let's begin our discussion of these water soluble vitamins. Now, the first vitamin that I'm going to discuss in the vitamin B complex is vitamin B1, which is also known as thiamine. I want you to carefully look at the spelling of thiamine. Thiamine. All right. And this is different from Thymine, thiamine, which is a nitrogenous base, present in DNA. The reason I'm specifically asking you to look at the spelling is because it's a previous year question. Because once AIMS actually confused you and tricked you. They actually asked a question which of the following is not present in DNA. And the options were adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. But the thymine was not that THY thymine, it was this THIA thymine, the vitamin B1 thymine. Alright, the answer was thymine, but people got confused. They were expecting uracil. Because uracil is obviously present in RNA, right? So this is the way how examiner can actually confuse you even in simple questions. Alright, even in facts, you know. Alright, now discussing a little bit about thymine. What is the RD of thymine? The RD of thymine is 0.4 mg per 1000 kilocalorie. What are the important dietary sources? The important dietary sources include your unpolished rice, legumes, and meat. Alright, the reason I specifically mentioned unpolished rice is because, again, a previous year question, they had asked polished rice can lead to deficiency of, and the answer was vitamin B1. Now, looking at the function of vitamin B1, what function does it serve in the body? So, it is a part of thiamine pyrophosphate. And this thiamine pyrophosphate is an important factor and cofactor as far as three enzymes are concerned. You can remember the name of these three enzymes by the formula ATP. ATP. A stands for alpha keto glutarate dehydrogenase. T stands for transketolase. And P stands for pyruvate dehydrogenase.